All right, so warm-up number 57 should be just about done. I see some of you already turned it in. However, just for the sake of time, I'm going to get us started. First thing we do with a data set is ascending order, yes? So we got 50, 60, 50, 60, 75, 75, 85, 90, 95, and 100. All right. So far so good? Yes? So, median. What'd you get for the median or Q2? Fernando. 80. Let's see. So we got 4, 4. There's nothing here. So we add these two, divide by 2. 160 divided by 2. That's 80. That's our Q2. All right. So far so good. So, Q1. What'd you get for Q1? Pass someone, Fernando. Jaden, Q1. 67.5. Okay. Let's see. So that leaves us 4 here. Q1 should be about right there. So 60 plus 70, that's 135 divided by 2. That's 67.5. That is correct. Double check your computation. And Q3, what'd you get for Q3? Pass someone. Joel, Q3. 92.5. So it's about right here. 90 plus 95 is 185 divided by 2. Blah. And we got that? All right, good. So minimum 50, maximum 100. So all right, are we done? No. What's our mean? Pass someone, Joel. Alexia, mean. 65.7. Hands if you got that. All right, double check your work. So we got 50 plus 60, that's 110, 185, 185, 190, 260, 345, 435, 440, 530, 630, divided by 8. So 8 times 7, that's 56. And 8 times 8, 64. Bring down the 0. 8 times 7, 56. And 5, so should be 78.75. And have you got that? All right, and median, we already have it here at Q2. And mode, everyone? 75, yes? All right, copy the agenda, please. Agenda, warm-up number 57, cumulative review. Tonight's home play numbers 23 Michael Jordan, all the way to 33 only. And I don't know if you noticed from last night's home play was a lot easier, right? Piece of cake. Somebody like, oh yeah, Q, bring it some more. You forward your screen. There it is. All right, once again, tonight's home play, numbers 23 all the way to 33. Last night's home play was numbers 13 to 22. Once again, if you need access to the study guide, there's the code. Still open for another 15 days or so. Okay? And let's get started. Yeah? I can master all semester 1 concepts and skills. I can master all semester 1 concepts and skills. All right? Here we go. Number 13, let me read it out. Let me send that to your screen. And it reads, Horace wants to find out whether a new route will allow him to drive to school more quickly. For 14 days, he randomly chose whether to drive the new route or original route. So, new and original, okay? Then the times how long it takes to get to school. All times are in minutes. So all these are times in minutes, okay? Question, what are the medians of the original route and new routes? All right, so what was the process once again? Ascending order, right? So therefore, I needed to see in your home plate that you actually rearranged these, okay? So we got 8, 8, 11, 11, 13, 14, 14. 2, 4, 6, 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So they're asking me for the median. Okay. So what's the median, guys? 11. Okay. So far 11 on that one. And let's do the new one. The new route is starting with 9. And then we got 12. Then we got 13 3 times. 14 and 15. And the median is 13. So correct answer for that one, letter C. Let's see, original route is 11. Original 11, yes, letter C. Does everybody see what we're doing? Okay, so we're doing these again here, right? You're not just watching me do stuff. All right, send me your work, please. You're like, I already did these, Mr. Q. Yes, I know, muscle memory. Let's go. Go. White marker? Okay. No? I'll bring one tonight. Tomorrow. Number 14. It reads, the circle graph shows how the average American family spends its money. Here it is. Explain why the graph is misleading. Okay, look at it. Turn to your neighbor, let them know why that is misleading. Don't look at the answers yet, just look at the graph itself and tell your neighbor, why is that misleading? Why is that misleading? All right, good conversation. Why is that misleading, David? Well, first observation, it doesn't equal, doesn't. Oh. Anyways, go somewhere there. Does equal 100%. That's true. 31 plus 18 plus 15 plus 6. That is a total of 25, 6, 70%. Yeah. So yeah, I like that one. I mean, I'll go with that. However, if that wasn't an option, look up, please. If that wasn't an option, tell your neighbor, what would be another misleading data from that graph? Talk it over to your neighbor. What would be another misleading data? good conversation. Caleb, what do you think, Caleb? Yeah, so the housing is only 31%, but according to the pie chart, it shows that it's almost what? Half of the entire pie. Do you guys see that? Watch, because the half of the pie is about right there. Is that half? Yes. Is this half? No, that's 31%. So that could be a misleading one. Okay. Send me your answer, please, on your screen. Your notes, if you took any on that one. Next, number 15. It says, the number of pieces of candy in random selected jars are 21, 29, 21, 40, 52, 41, 44, 60, and 67. Display the data using a histogram. Okay, for this one, I do need to see a table first before the histogram. Is that correct? You just don't say like, oh, it's that one. No. Therefore, yes. You just did the table? Good, yeah. So let's do the table. First of all, look up to the screen. Look at all the graphs. How many classes do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do all of them have 4 classes? So on your table, you're going to write class. And then my first class is from 1 to 20. The second class from 21 to 40. The third class from 41 to 60, and the fourth class from 61 to 80. So, what would we write next, right here? Talk to the neighbor, what would we write next? Now, some of you might say, can I do boundaries, Mr. Q? Do we really need them? No, so what would we write next? Yeah, frequency. So write frequency next. So, here we go. From 1 to 20, let's see, we got 1, 2, anything else? No, so that's 2. From 21 to 40, we got 1, 2, that's it. Oh, 3. Yeah? From 41 to 60, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And from 61 to 80, we only have 1 left. So, from 1 to 20 is 2. So here's 2, not that one. This one is 2. This one is 2, and that one is 2. Okay, so it's got to be one of these 3. Let's go to the next one. From 21 to 40 is 3. From 21 to 40 is 3. 21 to 40, not this one. 3, 3. So far it's between these 2. Next, 41 to 60 is 4. So let's go to 4. 41 to 60, yes. 41 to 60, yes. So far, so good. Last but not least, 61 to 80 is 1. 1, yes. This one, no. Correct answer is C. Does everybody see what we did? Yeah. So once again, that's what I want to see. Send me your notes, please. And once again, reminder, as we get closer to the cold weather, right now it's not that cold. Make sure you're upping your greens intake. Yeah, flavonoids. You need all those flavonoids in your body. Also, oranges. You guys like oranges? Yeah. How about cuties? If you buy the cuties that are very they're not mature, but they're like brand new cuties. You guys know what the cuties are? Yeah. the peel is so thin that you can actually eat the peel if you actually wash it well. The peel helps with your digestion. So, all right. All right, number 16, it reads, the number of laps around the track for 5 runners are 14, 8, 7, 4, and 11. Display the data using a box and whisker plot. So what kind of work do you think I want to see for that one? Tell your neighbor, what kind of work do I need to see? Yeah, I want to see all the work we've been doing on the warm-ups, yes? So let's arrange that from least to greatest. So we got 4, 7, 8, 11, 14. All right, so what do we need to make a box plot? We need Q1, Q2, Q3, min and max. Do we have min? Yes, it's 4. Do we have max? Yes. So now we need Q1, Q2, and Q3. So what is Q2, everyone? Q2 is the median, which is 8. Okay. There it is, 8. How about Q1? Tell your neighbor what Q1 is. What is Q1? Q1. Caleb, pass someone. Q1, there's nothing there, so therefore 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Hands, we got 5.5. All right. And Q3, pass someone. Go ahead. $12.5. Yes? There's these little, I don't know if it's flies or what it is, they bug. Yeah? So here's my box and whisker, or my box plot. So let's see which one has 4. Minimum, and that's it. Not this one and not that one. So it's between these two. What is Q1? 5.5. Is it this one? No. 5.5 is that one. So that means the answer is A. Double check your work. Send me your notes, please. Okay, since I'm recording this session, just to FYI BTW, make sure everybody hears this. So we have our final next week, which is 20% of your grade, yes? I'm also picking up your organization, yes? Checking your notes and all that. So we're up to warm-up number 57, is that correct? So you have plenty of time, like almost 2 full weeks. Some of you. All right, number 17 reads, consider the following box plots. Question, which data set has the greater median and which has the greater interquartile range? So before we get started with the median, we already know what the median is. Tell your neighbor how to compute the IQR. How do you compute the IQR? Tell your neighbor, please. IQR. Alexia, pass them one. Joel. IQR. Yeah. Oh yeah, go. Yeah, he said Q3 minus Q1. That is correct. So start with that. Let's look at the first one. What is Q1 for this one, guys? The first one. 7. And Q3? 15. So the IQR is 8. For the second one, Q1 is 10. Q3 is 13. So therefore the IQR for the second one is 3. Yes? All right, so which one has, let's see. Looks like the upper box is greater than the lower box. So let's see. The data represented by the lower box plot has a greater median. Okay, let's look at the medians also as well. The top one is 10. The bottom one is 12. So the lower one has a greater median. So let's see. Lower box has a greater median. So that one so far so good. The lower box plot has a greater median. The upper box has a greater median, so it's not that one and that one. So it's between the top two. The data set represented by the upper box plot has a greater IQR. Is that true? Yes, so the correct answer is A. So that's what I want to see. I want to see you showing me how you got the IQRs and so on and so forth. I just don't want you to go, oh, that's the answer. Send me your notes, please. All right, let's go to number 18, and it reads, what is the difference between the interquartile range of the data set represented by the upper box plot and the IQR range of the lower box plot? All right? So, once again, for the sake of the video, and by the way, did you guys notice that I uploaded yesterday's problems on YouTube? All right, good. So, tell your neighbor the IQR for the top one and the IQR for the bottom one. Share with your neighbor, see what you did for that IQRs. All right, help me with the top one. Who went last? Joel? Pass someone? Jaden, help me find the IQR for the top one. What do I write? Q1 is 24, okay, but I start with Q3, right? Which is 41 minus 24, and that gives us thank you. Pass someone. Fernando, help me with the second one. Which is 7. So, be careful with this one, because the question, look what it says. It says, what's the difference between the IQRs? The difference. What does difference mean? Subtract. So the correct answer is A. All right? Send me your notes, please. All right, continue. Number 19. Which data set has a greater median by how much? So, think so. What do I want to see here? Well, they need to be in ascending order. Are they in ascending order? Yes and yes. Okay. So what do I need to see, Mr. Q? Well, I want to see that you actually scribble something here to find your median. So how many data numbers? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to see that you box this to find me the median. So therefore this is 84 divided by 2, which is 42. Let's go to the bottom one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The median is there, so I need to add these two. 38 plus 39, that's 77. Yes? Divided by 2, which is 38.5. Is that correct? All right. So they're asking by how much does one have is greater than the other. So it looks like set A is greater. By how much? So we got 42 minus 38.5. By how much? Correct answer, letter D. All right, send me your notes, please. Once again, I know I have geniuses in my class, but I want to see work, okay? Geniuses. Number 20 reads, what is the best measure of center to use to compare the two data sets? Now notice how they worded it a little bit different. Measures of what? Center. Instead of saying what? Measures of what? Central tendency. Okay, so look at the possible answers. A is median of central tendency? Yes. Mean median? Yes. IQR? No. How about standard deviation? No. So it has to be either A or B, right? You're like, I forgot that standard deviation was not measure central tendency or the IQR. My goodness. So how do we figure out which would be the best measure? Well, we need to lay out our data. What data do we have? Well, it's right here. We have 1/6. What's next? 2 7s, 4 8s, 2 9s, and 1 10. So I need to find my mean, median, and mode. Yes? Mean, median, mode. So let's go with the easy one, the mode. Which one repeats the most, everyone? 8, okay. All right, next, median. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 numbers, so that would be 2, 4, 5. It's right here, so 8 plus 8 is 16 divided by 2 is still 8. How about the mean? Let's find the mean. So we add all these, so we got, let's see, 8 times 4 is 32, plus 10, that's 42, plus 18, that's 60, 74, 80, divided by 10, that's 8. Ooh, let's go. Go to the second one. We got 0, 2 2s, 4 3s, 1 5, and 2 6s. All right, mean, median, mode. We'll start with the mode. The mode is 3. Yeah, the one that repeats the most. Median, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2, 4, 5. So the median is 3 plus 3 is 6, divided by 2 is 6. And the mean, let's add this up. So, is what? It's 3? Oh yeah, I did that on purpose here if you're paying attention. Thank you. 3. And then the mean, 4 times 3 is 12, 14, 16, and 12, that's 28, 33, divided by 10. Yeah, did we get it right? 3.3? Yeah? Okay. So, it says, what is the best measure of center to use to compare the two data sets? And they're talking about sugar per serving for cereal, brand A and brand B. So talk it over with your neighbor, which one would you use to better recommend the cereal in regards to sugar content? Which one do you recommend the most? All right. Who went last? All right. Let's go with Chelsea. Go. Yeah, I'll use B, median or mean. Yes. All right, send me your notes, please. Once again, I want to see this work. Okay? Once again, I know you're geniuses. All right, here we go. Number 21. By how much does the outlier in the following data set increase the range of the data set? So what are they asking us to compute, guys? The range. Is that correct? So tell your neighbor how to compute the range. We need to compute it 2 times. Right? 1 without the outlier. What is the outlier? The greatest number that doesn't belong to the entire. What is the greatest number or the lowest number that's completely out of sync of all the other numbers? That one. So let's find the range using the rest first. What would be the range of these so far? So what do I use to find the range? Help us out, Peyton, go. What do I write? No worries. The biggest number from the smallest number. So what's the biggest number of this set, guys, so far? 85. Okay, so 85 minus, what's the lowest number? We got 38. All right. So my range without the outlier, this is the outlier. So 85 minus 38, that is 47. Yes? All right. So now let's find the range using the outlier. Tell me what to write. Pass on one, Peyton. You don't want to pass on? Okay. Then let's pick Peyton. Go. 236 minus. Still the lowest is 38, yes. Because now we're using the outlier. All right? So, 236 minus 38, that's 198, yes? So it says, by how much does the outlier of the following data increase the range? So from here to here, by how much? That means 198 minus 47, that is 140, 150, my bad. 151. Correct answer? B. All right. Send me your notes, please. Hold on. There it is. Once again, I want to see all this. Bah. All right, and the last one from tonight's home play reads, Lisa is a fitness instructor. For 1 month, she recorded the number of people who attended her aerobics class. Oh, okay. They still do aerobics? I thought it was like the 70s or 80s. Anyways, she then used her data to make a box plot and whisker plot shown. Lisa's data set includes a single outlier and no duplicate data values. Okay. It says, which statement describes the effect on the range and the IQR of Lisa's data set? So that means we need to know the what? The range. And what else do we need to know? The IQR. All right? So I'll give you a little bit of time for that. Find me the range and the IQR according to that. The range and the IQR. All right, let's see. Range. Let's see. Pass someone Peyton. Mia Victoria, how do we find the range? The biggest, which is minus 3. Yes, the smallest, which is 3. All right, so therefore the range is 19. Yes? All right, good. How do we find the IQR? Pass someone, Mia Victoria. She's not Peyton. Oh, no. Who? Daisy? All right, Daisy, go. Tell me what to write. 10 minus 6. Yes, Q3 minus Q1, and that gives us 4. Okay. So, which statement describes the effect on the range and IQR range of the data set of the outlier if the outlier is removed? So if we were to take this outlier out, what's going to happen to the data? So let's see. The IQR increases, but the range decreases. The IQR increases. IQR increases, but the range decreases. Okay. This one, the range and IQR both decrease. Both of them, bless you. So if we were to take this one out, both of them will decrease and make this our new max. All right, so both decrease on this one. This one is 1 goes up, 1 goes down. The range decreases and the IQR range increases. Okay. The range. So if we take this one out, right away the range is going to what? Decrease. So the range decreases, so it's not A. The range both, okay, so it has to be either C or D. But okay, so let's see. Last one says the range and IQR range both decrease, but the range increases or decreases the more. so the range decreases more. So if we take out the 22 and we use 10, so this would be 10 minus 3 is 7 for the range. IQR range decreases the most. IQR decreases the most. No, it's not B. So it has to be one of these two. Which one do you select? Which one? Correct answer is, let's go with B. Yeah. All right. The IQR stays the same? Well, if we make this one our max, yeah, we have to change it. Yeah. All right, I'm going to stop right there. Once again, your home plate for tonight is numbers 23 to 33. Good one, everyone. Enjoy your home plate. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.